We are in Ketchikan. It is one of the rainiest cities in the US and also the salmon capital of the world. So we're excited to explore Ketchikan. This is the last stop we have in Alaska, so I'm gonna get the remainder of our souvenirs here. I'm hoping to get salmon.
Kathy, our naturalist on board, said that you can pay $3 to take a tram up to this hotel. They have a bunch of totem poles there for viewing, and also there's a restaurant there and beautiful views if you want. Roma says she wants to find Alaskan salmon, maybe like a jerky. I'm just gonna be on the hunt for a really cool hat. Let's go. Oh, also, I want to try their beer here. Let's see if we can find a nice brewery where I can maybe have a flight. And then on top of that, let's get some good coffee as well.
The nice thing about Ketchikan, if you're trying to locate a point of interest, there are directional signs everywhere so you won't get lost and arrows pointing where we're going. Guess where we are heading?
You're right.
We are going to Creek Street. Yay! We're in Creek Street.
How is it here in Creek Street?
It's very beautiful. Just entering in here, there's a beautiful sign, and you're gonna walk across a bridge above the water, and down there you could see all the water flowing. People are waiting and looking out to see if maybe there would be salmon jumping. So that's so
Upstream,
cool.
right?
Oh, salmon jumping upstream. So that's really cool.
So far, Creek Street's pretty nice. We didn't see any salmon, no eagles or anything. And the rain is on and off. But the rain, when it does come, it's only, little sprinkles, and it turns off the faucet in a minute or so. And it's quite crowded, if you ask me. So just be prepared. We do have 3 or 4 shifts at port, so to be expected.
The Cape Fox Lodge tram, and it's $3 going up, $3 going down. It was recommended to us by our naturalist.
Around some great pictures and artifacts. Who am I saying hi to?
Just everyone.
Well, hello everyone.
Best naturalist.
Glad you're enjoying it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be doing some sail away comments from the bridge. Did you hear me this morning?
Yes.
Okay, good. Was that helpful?
It was.
Yes,
Good,
yes.
good.
Someone that just came down recommended crab and soda.
And
so,
apples.
Yes.
She
So,
said fancy soda.
ooh, we might try that.
It's actually pretty good. I like it.
I like blueberry berries in general, and it tastes like a berry soda with some vanilla, hint of vanilla. I like it.
This is an appetizer. It costs $14, and you get about 2, 4, 6 pieces of pretty large shrimp, and they're deep fried. And it's lathered in sauce. Not entirely sure what kind of sauce. I probably should have read the description. Let's give it a try.
Good.
Oh my gosh, this is good. Can't describe it. It's just an explosion of flavors. If you're in Ketchikan, try this place. It is. Or try this dish and try these sodas. Our time here at the lodge is over, and a little tip of advice for you all. There is a tram, $3 going up, $3 going back down. It's only a few minute ride, but there is a buffer time where there's a 5-minute reset time once it reaches to the top. because of the machinery, just the way it works. So it could be longer of a wait, especially if there's a long line. Now, here's what a lot of people do, and this is what we found out from the front desk, is a lot of people would take the tram going up and take the trail back down, which is free. So $3 going up, and then we're doing the free option going down. It's a short little trail going back to Creek Street. So the trail is called Married Man's Trail, and it leads you back to the Creek Street. So follow us as we make our way back to Creek Street.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us wanted to grow up. But now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple. Now they're all memories.
We are at the Ketchikan Totem Heritage Museum. So you get to see how they're made, the history of them, and basically a little bit more about the poles.
And Kathy recommended this too, right?
Mm-hmm. She did mention
So let's check it out.
Our naturalist, Miss Kathy, said as well, is that in each totem pole, you could see a handprint in the back, and the handprint is the signature of the person who structured the totem pole. So that's really cool. But it's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Scared me for a moment.
No, I was like, Heimlich or what?
That was good. No, just it was really good. It's good.
So fresh.
Like the one raw oyster. I like all the sauce in it.
Oh my gosh, that is good. If you're in Ketchikan, located right on Berth 4 is the Alaskan Oyster Shack. And for one single oyster, it's $5. Half dozen is $26, and for a dozen, which is 12 oysters, is $40. And then they also serve grilled oysters as well, but raw oyster, super good.
And that's it for Ketchikan, the salmon and totem pole capital of the world.
One of the most popular excursions or things to do here in Ketchikan, and you've probably seen it before, is to watch the famous lumberjack show. We didn't book that this time around, but maybe in the future, when you come here in Ketchikan, you can catch the show yourself. And let us know what you think about the show. Wow, if you follow them, you get a free duck. Sorry. Did you follow them? Oh, that's the duck you get for following them?
Yes.
Holy cow, that's a miniature.